Friends, now we are here with the question 4 that we have to find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by all 3 numbers. As we know that LCM means least common multiple. Least common multiple is a number which is divisible by all the given numbers. So we have to find for the LCM of these 3 numbers. So LCM is the number which will be divisible by all the given number. So it means first we will, because we have to find the smallest 3-digit number, means a number which is exactly divisible by all 3 numbers, means a number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. It means we have to find a number which is divisible by all 3 numbers. So it means we will go with the LCM. So first we will find the LCM of the numbers 6, 8 and 12. So we will go with the LCM. 2, 3, 4, 6. These 2 number comes in the table of 2, 3, 2 and 3. These 2 number come in the table of 3 and last is 2. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 2s are 24. So 24 is the least common multiple which is divisible by all 3. You can observe 24 is divisible by 6, 6 4s are 24, 24 is divisible by 8, 8 3s are 24, also divisible by 12, 12 2s are 24. It means LCM means 24 is the least common multiple which is divisible by all 3 numbers. But we have to find the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by all 3 numbers. As everybody knows, if a number is divisible by any 3 or 4 number, then all its multiples also will divisible by all 3 numbers. It means if 24 is divisible by all 3 numbers, then its multiples also would be divisible by all 3 numbers. So we will go with the multiples of these. As 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are, it's 72, 24 fours are, 4 fours are 16, 96, 4 2s are 8 and 1, 96, 24 5s are, it's 5 2s are 22, 5 2s are 10 and 2 is 12, 120, 24 6s are, 6 4s are, 24 2, it's 12, 144. Now students, 144. Students, in this way we can go with the multiples of 24. Means each multiple of 24 would be divisible by all 3. But see, what we have to find? The smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by all 3. So which one is the smallest 3? Because still here this is 2-digit. So we have a number 3-digit which is a multiple of 24. It means when 120 is divisible by all 3 numbers. It means 120 is the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by all 3 given numbers. So your required number is 120. It means 120 is the smallest 3-digit number, which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Students, we are here with this question that we have to find that greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by all 3 numbers. It means we have to find a number which is divisible by all 3 numbers. So it means we have to find, as we know, we have already discussed that LCM means least common multiple is a number which is exactly divisible by all three numbers. So it means we will go with the LCM first. So it means we are finding the LCM of these three numbers, taking them together. How to find the LCM of these numbers? Take it, get a number in which 2 or 3 numbers comes, that is 2, 4, 5, 6. Now we are observing we are here having 3 numbers, but 2, 4 and 6 comes in the table of 2, but 5 is not coming in the table of 2. We can take here 2. So keeping it as it is, 2, it's 5, it's 3. Now all 3 numbers are not coming in any table. We can leave it here and we can get the product of all these numbers, or we can take one by one. Taking now 5, keeping the rest numbers same. Now 3, so rest will remain same. Students, remember, if just suppose we are taking 2 here, 5 doesn't come in the table of 2, so we will leave it as it is. So 5 will remain as it is. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So it means 4 into 10 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 10 is 120. Now LCM is 120. It means 120 is the least common multiple which is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. See what we have to find. This is a 3-digit also, but we have to find greatest 3-digit number. Also we have discussed if 120 is divisible by all 3 numbers, then its multiples also will be divisible by all 3 numbers. So we will get the multiples. 240. We will go multiple of 120. 5, 6. It's 4. It's 600. 720. 840. 960, 108 and 0. See, we have all these multiples divisible by all 3 numbers, but we have to find greatest 3-digit number. See, all these are 3-digit number divisible by all 3 numbers. Which one is greatest? This one. From here we are getting the 4-digit number. So 960 is your greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by all 3 numbers. It means 960 is the greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Students, now we are here with the question number 6 of exercise 3.7. The question is that the traffic lights at 3 different road crossings changes after 48 seconds, 72 seconds, 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously, means together at 7 a.m. at what time will they change simultaneously again? Means, students, just suppose we have 3 traffic lights. This at first crossing, it get a change after 48 seconds. 48. The second one is getting 72, change at a 72 seconds, like this. Third is getting a change after 108 seconds. 108 seconds. If they change starting time, means if they are changing at 7 a.m., then we have to find the time when all this minimum time, when all these traffic lights will get changed together. Same way students, it means this is your starting point, means they are changing at 7 a.m. Now we have to tell the final destination, means at what time they will change again. It means we have to find this minimum time. So it means we have to find minimum time. So for this we will find the LCM of these three numbers. So we will use the common division method. So what is that? The traffic lights at three different road crossings changes after 48 seconds, 72 seconds, 108 seconds respectively. If they change together at 7 a.m. then we have to find the time at which will all three will change together. So for this we will find the minimum time, means time required. For this it means first we will find the LCM. So we will find the LCM of 48, 72, 108. So taking common division method for these three numbers, as three numbers coming in the table of 2, 48 divided by 2 gives you 24, 36, 54. These comes in the table of 2 again, 12, 18, 27. These two coming in the table of 2, but this is not coming, so we will keep it as it is. 6, divide 9, keep it as it is. Now all are coming in the table of 3. 3 2s are 9 divided by 3, 27 divided by 3, 9. Now these two are coming in the table of 3, so keep 2 is as it is. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 2, 1, 1, keeping 3 as it is. Now take 3 here, 1, 1 and 1. So what is the LCM of these three numbers, product of all these? How many times 2 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 3 is there? 1, 2 and 3. 3 into 3 into 3. Students see? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Now you multiply 27 with 16. It's 42, 4. It's 12 and 4, 16, 7, 2. 2, it's 3, it's 4. It means 432. It means after 432 seconds, after 432 seconds, the all three lights will blink together again. It means what the time, if we are having the starting time is 7 a.m. So see seconds. If we divide by 60, will change to in minute. So 60 divided by 432 divided by 60, because when 432 divided by 60, time will change into minutes. So divided. So at what it will go? 7. It means 2, 1. It means after 7 minutes and 12 seconds, the all three traffic lights will blink together. So the starting time is 7 a.m. What would be the time at the end of after 432 seconds? So at 7 a.m. is already. So 7 a.m. after 7 minutes 12 seconds, what the time would be? So at 7 o'clock 7 minutes 12 seconds. So this would be the time. At this time all lights will change together. So this is your required